Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. I know I promised to do this giveaway on Friday and things got hectic. This week is no better. um, but I wanted to do it finally. I have an hour on my lunch break and I thought I'd go ahead and do this while I can. So if you watched my last video, I think it was my birthday haul, and I had bought an extra Cottage Cutz die, Cottage Cutz die. It's the hot drink cup, and it goes really well with that bear die from Cottage Cutz, and they just had a clearance, or they had a sale on their site, and I went on there for a snowman die, and so since I was there, I went ahead and bought a few other things, and I looked in my stash and I already had this in my stash. Anyway, so I am giving this away to anybody that commented on my um, video last week. And thanks everyone for not spilling the beans, and commented. Thank you so much. So I am on YouTube random comment picker, and I put the URL here. I think I only had like 7 comments, which is fine. It says right here 7 comments. So yeah, it's okay. It's good. You have a better chance of winning. So let's start. Yeah, can you see that? Let me bring you in here. It's going through the comments, and let's see who's going to win. And the winner is Athena! Yay! I mean, Aretha! Athena. Her comment was, "What an awesome haul. Missed out on that round of stamps from Peachy Cheap. Do you know if there is any other way to help Sherry's family? Love Cottage Cutz dies too, and the coffee die is super cute as well. Happy belated birthday." Well, my birthday hasn't come yet. I've been buying stuff for my birthday. My birthday's not until the 29th of this month, which I'm a Libra. And my son's birthday was just yesterday, and he's a Libra as well. So I want to thank Aretha and everybody that commented on my channel, on my video. And Aretha, please send me your email, your address. I'll have my email down below, and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope to have more giveaways soon, so keep watching. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.